Exploring spring activities and events.
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be exploring some common activities and events that take place during the spring months. Spring is a wonderful time of the year when nature comes alive, and people eagerly embrace the outdoors after the long winter. Let's dive right in and discover the vibrant experiences that await us during this season.
Gardening and blooming flowers.
One of the most popular activities during spring is gardening. As the weather warms up, garden enthusiasts and beginners alike take this opportunity to cultivate beautiful green spaces. People sow seeds, plant colorful flowers, and tend to their gardens, creating stunning displays of nature's beauty. It's truly a joy to witness the transformation of bare earth into a vibrant oasis of blooming flowers and lush greenery.
Outdoor festivals and fairs.
Spring is also a time for outdoor festivals and fairs that celebrate various aspects of culture, art, and music. These events offer a fantastic opportunity to engage with local communities and experience the vibrant atmosphere of spring. From food festivals featuring seasonal delicacies to art exhibitions showcasing the creativity of local artists, there's always something for everyone to enjoy. The lively music performances and colorful parades further enhance the festive spirit of these events.
Spring cleaning and renewal.
With the arrival of spring, many people engage in a tradition known as spring cleaning. It involves decluttering and organizing living spaces to welcome the new season with a fresh start. Spring cleaning not only creates a more pleasant and organized environment but also provides a sense of renewal and rejuvenation. People often take this opportunity to donate unused items, deep clean their homes, and prepare for the warm months ahead.
Outdoor sports and recreation.
As the weather improves, people actively participate in various outdoor sports and recreational activities during the spring months. This could include activities such as cycling, hiking, picnicking, and playing sports like baseball, soccer, or frisbee. Parks, hiking trails, and recreational areas become popular destinations as individuals and families enjoy the pleasant temperatures and embrace the beauty of nature. Spring is an ideal time to get active and appreciate the great outdoors.
Celebrating holidays and traditions.
Spring is also a season filled with holidays and traditions. One of the most widely celebrated occasions during this time is Easter, which brings together families for festive meals, egg hunts, and religious ceremonies. Additionally, various cultures and religions around the world have their unique spring festivals and traditions that involve joyful celebrations, feasts, and community gatherings. These events serve as an opportunity to reconnect with loved ones and rejoice in the spirit of togetherness. And there you have it. We've explored some common activities and events that take place during the spring months. From gardening and blooming flowers to outdoor festivals and fairs, spring cleaning, outdoor sports and recreation, and the celebration of holidays and traditions, there's a wide range of experiences to enjoy during this season. I hope this video has inspired you to embrace the beauty of spring and make the most of its vibrant offerings. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.